started in SketchUp. We built a 3D model of the deer. Once that was done, we exploded the different parts into manageable pieces. Then we flattened them. There you have the lower portion of the neck, the upper neck, the nose, the eyes, the back of the ears, the front of the ears, and Paul,
the antlers.
You're a little late there.
No, that was it. You saw it. You remember it. Now we're cutting it out of steel.
We moved to the plasma cutter. We did leave the lines from the folds partially so that the parts would be easier to fold.
Cleaned up the metal so we could tack them quickly and easily on clean metal, which makes a huge difference.
We cut out a back plate as well that the lower neck is connected to. That helps make sure that the first parts are bent at the right angles to make the process easier. It's really hard. Getting the angles right is so important. If you don't get them just right, it gets bad really quick.
One of the key elements to this, to be honest, is that you really got to get each part straight.
Are you going to be honest with us?
I want to be honest. I feel like honesty is a good policy.
There's the back of the ears.
You like the back of the ears. You've said that twice now.
The back of the ears.
So, honestly,
it's my thing.
Honestly, let's talk about honesty again.
So, to be honest,
if you don't get each part of this straight, it will look like
hot garbage.
I was kidding. I was just trying to think of an animal that wasn't very cool.
Roadkill?
It will look like it's roadkill.
Oh,
yeah.
That's what it looks like before we have antlers on it.
These are the antlers before we put them on it.
That's an important tip.
Yeah, it's very, very important.
Okay.
Do we need to say how long it took us to really do this, even though we sped up the video? This is our normal speed of working. We do not speed up our videos. We do not edit any of them. This is exactly the amount of time it took us to do this. It was 4 minutes.
You notice through the whole operation we change gloves often. Look at these ones over here.
Nice.
I think I was wearing those earlier. It's because people listening can see my pointer.
Well, no, okay. You got to dual grind a little bit, you know? It's like dueling banjos.
Ew. There it is. The almost finished product.
But wait! There's more!
There's more.
There's always more with us.
Muriatic acid.
Mm-hmm.
Read this carefully. I didn't wear a respirator, and that was stupid.
And I was filming and choking my left lung up.
And we sprayed hydrogen peroxide on it to get it more consistent and rust it more. We covered it with a clear coat, and that's the finished product. What do you say there?
Looks good on the wall. Dig it.
Dig it?
I dig it.
Life's a garden.